Hi, welcome to Unit 6.7. It is about competition and efficiency for perfect competition market. Efficient use of resources. Resources are used efficiently when no one can be made better off without making someone else worse off. This situation arises when marginal social benefit equals marginal social cost. Choices, equilibrium, and efficiency. We can describe an efficient use of resources in terms of the choices of consumers and firms coordinated in market equilibrium. Choices. A consumer's demand curve shows how the best budget allocation changes as the price of a good changes. So, at all points along their demand curves, consumers get the most value out of their resources. If the people who consume the good are the only one who benefit from the good, the market demand curve is the marginal social benefit curve. A competitive firm supply curve shows how the profit maximizing quantity changes as the price of good changes. So, at all points along their supply curves, firms get the most value out of their resources. If the firms that produce their good bear all the cost of producing it, then the market supply curve is the marginal social cost curve. Equilibrium and efficiency. In competitive equilibrium, resources are used efficiently. The quantity demanded equals the quantity supplied. So, marginal cost benefit equals marginal social cost. The gain from trade for consumers is measured by consumer surplus. The gain from trade for producers is measured by producer surplus. Total gains from trade equal total surplus. In long run equilibrium, total surplus is maximized. At the market equilibrium, marginal social benefit equals marginal social cost. Resources are allocated efficiently. Total surplus is maximized. In this figure, campus waiters makes zero economic profit. Each firm in the market has the plan that enables it to produce at the lowest possible average total cost, ATC. Consumers are as well off as possible because the good cannot be produced at a lower cost and the price equals at least possible cost. That's all for Unit 6.7. Thank you.